Welcome back to another episode of Connors Eats. Today I want to show you how to cook my version of a perfect steak. So I got 2 ribeyes right here from the local butcher. Do a simple salt and pepper on each side. Not much to it. You're going to want to be heavy with it because these are pretty thick. I personally, when you go to your butcher or even if you go to the grocery store, try to find the thickest cuts of ribeyes you can get, because what we're going to do tonight is do a reverse sear where you smoke it first and then you reverse sear it at high heat on a cast iron. All right, so there you have it. I just finished salt and peppering both sides. I'm going to now put it in the fridge for about an hour. We're going to go outside and start up the smoker. We're going to get it about 200 degrees. We're going to pop these puppies on, get them to about 90 internally. It'll take about 30-45 minutes roughly, and we're going to pop those off and put them on the cast iron. So let's go do it. And now your Traeger smoker, whatever you have, it's heated up to a good 200 degrees. You're just gonna pop these puppies on, just like so. Close your lid, plug this into your thermometer, and you're just gonna let those cook. A little oil on my cast iron. This thing's piping hot. All right, so just like I said, our beautiful steaks are about 95 degrees internally. We're just gonna pop these on. We're gonna let those go for about 3 minutes on each side. Ooh, a little smoky wine, huh? Make sure you press it down. Get that nice even sear all the way through. Pretty simple, right? Reverse sear. These are on for about 30 to 45 minutes. You don't even have to touch it. And now you're just gonna finish it off and get that nice crust. Go on, look at that. Look at that crust. Okay, now we're gonna put in some butter real fast. Some garlic, some thyme. Woo-wee! And start basting away. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna turn off our heat and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Serve it with some mashed potatoes. Everyone's happy. Ooh, not bad. Medium rare. I'm sure you'll comment below on if it's not, but you know, that's beautiful, right? We're gonna plate this up now with beautiful mashed potatoes that my wife prepared. Thank you all for watching. Please comment below on what you like to do with your steaks. We'll see you next time.